So if you're in the same situation that I was and you want to lower the car a bit, you basically have two options. One, you buy springs, or two, you go whole hog and you buy coilovers. Now, I went with springs because I didn't want to destroy the ride quality. I kind of think this car is comfy for what it is. I didn't really want to give that up. However, now that I'm going to the track, going again in a couple days, I am seriously considering coilovers, and I will probably buy some soon. If you're looking for something that just lowers the car a little bit and doesn't destroy the ride quality, you'd be really, really hard pressed to find anything better than the Swifts, especially for the money. They're progressive rate springs, so as you're just cruising around town, they feel basically like stock. But then when you're in the twisties like this and you start really wrenching on it and loading them up, they get more firm. They firm up a whole bunch. It's actually pretty cool. I didn't really think about it when I got them, but I was up here driving around one day after I got them installed and was like, all right, cool. As you saw, I also did wheel spacers, 20 mil in the rear, 20 mil in the front. That was a big nightmare because originally I wanted to do 20 mil in the back, 15 in the front. Well, the ones that I got the first time didn't work, so I ordered some new ones. I had to wait like 2 weeks for the damn things to even come in. Shut up. And then once they did come in, the 15 mils in the front didn't work again because the bolt was hitting the back of the wheel. So back to the drawing board, I ended up going back and getting 20 mils for the front as well as 20 mils for the rear. I was a little bit worried about them rubbing, but they're actually pretty good. I haven't heard them rub yet. It looks kind of tight under there, but I don't know, it seems to work okay. So yeah, now that I'm going to the track more and more, I'm probably going to go coilover. So who wants to buy my shocks and springs when I upgrade? Let me know. Put it down in the comments, all right? You'll get first dibs. I have no idea what I'll sell them for, but I'll let you know. But yeah, for now, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and all that happy horse shit. You know the drill. I know you do. Bye-bye. I had a huge pain in the ass making this video, so I hope you guys liked it. I had my drone kind of fly away on me when I was doing the aerial for the video. That was somewhat nerve-wracking. Luckily that ended okay. I didn't lose Igor, so that's good. But somewhat nerve-wracking, yes. It's putting it lightly. I came up here once to do it, and it was a zoo. I couldn't even make it up the hill. It was just, I don't know what the hell was going on, if it was like National Let's Go to the Park Day or what, but son of a bitch, it was completely packed. If I came up here again, same damn thing. Don't know what the hell was going on. Came up here again, and it was Silent Sunday. Fucking news to me. They don't let anyone up the mountain in a car, only on bikes and on foot and stuff. So I was like, well, shit. I came back here again, and my lapel mic decided to not work. So that was cool. So I ordered a new lapel mic, and it didn't work. I was like, fucking sweet. So I ordered 2 different kinds of lapel mics, because at this point I was like, you know what? This damn video is starting to piss me off. Came up here to do this talkie bit again, and it was Silent Sunday again. They don't announce these things. They just put out a sign like here. No, finally came up here just now and finally got it done. My God. So I hope you like it. Bye-bye.